Lost your Gmail password? Don't panic. I'll show 2 legal ways to see a password you've saved, and 1 step to lock your account down in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Check saved passwords in Chrome. If you saved your Gmail login in Chrome, open Chrome, Settings, Autofill, Passwords. Search for google.com or your email. Click the eye icon to reveal the password. You'll need your device unlock, PIN biometrics. Only works for passwords saved on that device. Steps 2. Go to Gmail. App manage your account, password manager, screen lock or password, then easily see your saved password. Steps 3. View on Android Device System Store. On Android System Settings, Google, manage your Google account, security, password manager, or settings, passwords. On many phones, you can view saved passwords there after unlocking your device. If you want, I'll make a follow-up that walks through a password manager setup and a 2FA tutorial. Hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want a step-by-step Android walkthrough.